Amid the suspense over who will be the next Delhi Chief Minister, who will the BJP High Command choose? Delhi BJP Chief Virendra Sachdeva has sought for an appointment, a meeting with the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, the LG Saxena. Now, Virendra Sachdeva will also be accompanied with all the MLAs and MPs of Delhi, and together they've sought an appointment with the Lieutenant Governor. Now, clearly at this point, the message that's coming in from the Delhi BJP leadership is that the final decision rests with Prime Minister Modi. That Prime Minister Modi will take the pick of who will be the Chief Minister of the national capital. Every single leader who is right now in contention has made it clear that there's no question of any sort of rebellion, that they will go ahead and abide by whatever Prime Minister Modi decides.
राणा जी 1993 में इसी सीट से जीतकर आपके पिता मुख्यमंत्री बने थे। अब आपको क्या लगता है फिर से इसी सीट को मौका दिया जाएगा मुख्यमंत्री के लिए?
अब ये तो मेरा काम है नहीं, ये काम है नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो डिसीजन लेना है, पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड जो डिसीजन लेगा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का शीर्ष में जो डिसीजन लेगा, वो सलाखों पे। मेरा तो सिर्फ एक मुश्त लक्ष्य है, जो मुझे मोती नगर ने प्यार दिया, मोती नगर ने कहा कि आप हमारी सेवा करो, उस सेवा करने के लिए मैं तत्पर हूँ और जो मैंने वादे किए हैं लोगों के साथ उसको पूरा करने का काम मैंने करना है। बाकी क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा वो मोदी जी जाने और मेरा पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड जाने।
For more details, Shreya, we know that the Delhi BJP leadership has sought a meeting with the Lieutenant Governor. There's already been a courtesy meet that happened earlier today. So what's really on the agenda for this particular meet? Is it to officially stake claim?
Well, that hasn't yet been clarified on the part of the BJP. That could be one of the reasons. But today the key meet is actually, still yet to happen, Akshata. I'm here at the Delhi BJP party office where Virendra Sachdeva has arrived. We will soon be seeing all the 48 BJP MLAs also arrive here along with the MPs. There will be a detailed discussion that will take place. Probably by the end of the day today, we will be seeing a conclusion on the name of the Chief Minister of the National Capital, and that's precisely why, Akshata, we are seeing that the letter has already been shot from the end of Virendra Sachdeva, suggesting that he wants to go and meet him. So they've asked for a time. It will depend on the LG which day he actually gives them time to meet. This could also be a courtesy meeting, so we need some more clarity on it. Probably once all these MLAs meet Virendra Sachdeva today along with the MPs, we'll get an answer to what exactly is going on, because early in the morning, remember, there were news that came in that the oath-taking ceremony will only happen once the Prime Minister's UAE's visit is over, which is post the 14th and 15th. And we've seen earlier as well, whenever his oath-taking ceremony has taken place, for chief ministers from other states are also, asked to come. So there is a lot of preparation that also needs to be done with the Prime Minister leaving the country tomorrow for his visit. Unlikely that there will be an oath-taking ceremony anytime soon until he returns back to the country.
Okay, so they're taking their time. They're in no hurry because the mandate is clearly in their favor, and they're going to wait for the Prime Minister to return from his US tour for the oath-taking. But will a decision be taken before that? That remains the question. But for now, the Delhi BJP leadership making it clear that it is Prime Minister Modi who will take the final decision on the Delhi Chief Minister. Thanks, Shreya, for those details.